Okay, so a bag contains 5 blue marbles. We got 5 blue here. 10 red marbles. Let me just get out my pen to write. 5 blue marbles, 10 red marbles, and 15 clear marbles. And then they say, what is the probability that when a child reaches in and pulls out a marble at random, it will be red? So the first thing you need to know about probability is that it can be expressed a number of ways, but probably the easiest and most forward way to express probability is as a fraction. Okay, so probability is basically the ratio of, I'm going to use this word wins, and don't worry, I'll explain myself. Wins, and I'll put that in quotations, to total. Wins to total, a ratio. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a fraction. Now here's what I mean by wins. I'm looking for the probability that if he pulls out a marble at random, it will be red. So red is like the winning color. That's what we're looking for, the probability that his marbles will be red. So anything red is like a winner. So in this case, this dude has, as you know, 10 red marbles. So definitely the top of my fraction is going to be 10 to start out with, at least here, because I have 10 red marbles. But think of a fraction bar like the words out of. 10 out of how many? Well, we need to know how many total marbles are in this bag. We weren't given this information, but we've got enough info to figure it out. If he's got, whoa, what'd I just do? If he's got 10 red, 5 blue, and 15 clear marbles, that is a total of 30 marbles. And so 10 out of 30 are red. So the probability that he's going to pull a red is 10 out of 30. Now, you could stop right here, but you wouldn't be done, because one thing you should know about fraction answers is that all final fraction answers must be reduced. This one's super easy to reduce. See how both these numbers end in 10? Or I should say end in 0. I apologize. They both end in 0. That tells me that both these numbers are divisible by 10. And it's really easy to divide by 10. You basically just cancel 0 for 0 from the back of that number. And so 10/30ths is the same as 1/3. So the probability that a child reaches in and pulls out a red marble is 1 out of 3.